From the kind of moody, cozy living room, we come into this very bright space, which is the dining room. And this is truly one of my favorite rooms in the house. I know people, when they come stay here, really make the most of this room. But when we first came to this house, this was the kitchen for one of the downstairs apartments. And I think it was actually the waiting room for one of the doctor's offices before that. One thing that this house did not have was a back door. There actually was no way to access the backyard of the house from the house itself. So we knew that we wanted to create some kind of opening in the back so that you could either enter the kitchen from the back. We created these beautiful French doors that open out from the dining room, and that also meant building back porches. So we have some back porches now. So some of the things that we've done, the color is Farrow & Ball, one of their beautiful greens. The living room also has Farrow & Ball, beautiful blue color. So the rooms definitely are in dialogue with one another, but this is designed to be beautiful in the daytime and also at night. Something that we did not get right out of the gate was the light fixture. So we originally had a different kind of modern reproduction light here, and I just never liked the quality of the light that it gave off. It just wasn't right for the space. This fixture, we sourced it from Quitner Home. We made these shades using Les Indiennes fabric, which is based in Hudson. So another thing that we did in the Quitner collaboration is we added these picture rails. They let you hang art without putting holes in the walls. This is just like a silk cord with a hook. So we could change this up, we could add more, we could, do one big piece, just hang it, and we wouldn't have to put any holes in the wall. These are not designed as picture rails. Actually, these are pot rails that I got from Duval Kitchens. We adapted them as picture rails because not enough people are making brass picture rails. As we move from the dining room into the kitchen, I do want to point out again, this was a bathroom. So we put in another pocket door to be able to close this area off from the hallway, another soundproof curtain.